good morning, Megan Umaga. I've just booked the island hopping tour. So this is where you come when you're on Boracay. This is all the different companies, as you guys can see. Look, there's all like different companies, different tours, different options, whatever. So I booked that tour for 1,200 pesos. Apparently, like it's the second best luxury, not luxury, like second best tour or island hopping tour that you can do here. Let me show you guys how it is when you come down here. Sorry, it's still early in the morning. Alright, so everyone's waiting now, getting organized. You can actually come here and do some water sports as well, but you just gotta find whoever gives you a good price. But I think usually all the prices are very much similar. So yeah, everyone is waiting. We're gonna do an island hopping today. Let's do it. Boracay. Alright guys, we've just arrived at Boracay Beach. 30 minutes, huh? We're here for 30 minutes. Hopefully I don't drop the DJI.
Hello.
Hello, 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 hello. Here we are. Boracay Beach. Alright, let's check out Boracay Beach, guys. Guys, look at this. Check out Boracay Island. Look how nice this is. Wow. Look at the beaches here. Look at that. Let me show you. Let me turn the camera around. Look at the beach. Look at how clear the water is. Hello. Hello, hello. Wow, look at that. Wouldn't you love to spend the afternoon here? Look, there's people over there having a swim. Some people taking photos. Lucky it's a nice day, honestly, lucky it's a nice day. But wow, look how beautiful, look at the sand. Wow, look at that. Look how nice this is. And I think there's locals as well, they live on the island. Look at this. Boracay Beach. I just can't believe how nice this is. There guys. Beautiful, look at the beaches here, man, in the Philippines. Fuck, they got mad beaches here in the Philippines. When you come here, guys, you can actually do some canoeing. And I asked them how much for the canoeing. The guy first he said 250, and he goes, oh, if you want, I'll give it to you for 200 pesos. So here you got some people out here as well. They're doing a bit of canoeing. Look how clear the water is. Crystal clear waters. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Wow. Yeah, it's not that big, the island, it's just a small island. But it's actually good, worth checking out when you come here on your tour. Yeah, when you're at Boracay Beach here, some of the locals, you know, selling some locally made necklaces, handmade, crafted stuff, as you can see here. Hello, hello, hello. So we've just stopped here. This is where all the boats, they all come together. They do some snorkeling. There's some guys as well here selling you coconut on the boat. Let me show you. Right. Try not to fall with the DJI. Let me show you.
Even though you're not
Be shaky here. Okay. Okay. Look how nice the water. I'll show you guys how clear the water is. Look at that. How clear the water is. Yeah, how nice that is. Guys, when you come here, they give you, this is like chicken noodles soup. Yeah, this is just normal rice. This is your veggies. Okay. This is your pork barbecue. Your shrimp. What's this? Fish. And this is chicken barbecue. And what's this? This is the only thing that I liked. And that's it. You get your fruit and pineapple juice, and that's it. That's your lunch on the tour. Thank you. Salamat. After we've had lunch, they've got a bath outside. Let me show you. I'm just gonna jump in, have a soak. There it is, guys. Look. I'm gonna jump in. Wow. It's full setup and everything. All right, now let's jump in. Woo!
Don't go near, huh?
She's gonna light me up on fire. Look, they want to cook me here, the Filipinos. The Filipinos want to cook me. They want to eat me. I taste very yummy. A lot of meat. I have a lot of meat. Holy shit! Where's the spices? Put some spices. Wow, look like she's really cooking me, man. Wow, look how nice this is. It's good just to come here and just relax. This is romantic. All right. Thank you. So we just came here to Crystal Island. This is Crystal Island. When you arrive here, you can hang out on the beach, or one of these cafes is for free. But if you want to go inside Crystal Beach, you have to pay 300 pesos a person. See this guy here, he's scanning all the entry tickets. When you come here, you gotta pay 300 a person if you want to see what's inside Crystal Cove. Alright, let's go have a look. This way you're going to Baywatch. Alright, we're walking. Wow, it's a nice cool breeze here. I love it. This is nice. Look at this view. Look at that. This is called Baywatch. This is where you come on top of the Crystal Cove. Guys, check out this view. Here I'm on top of the cliff, and this is called Baywatch, like a little tower. Look at the view. Okay, we're just walking to Cove 2. Just walking to Cove 2. And I'm holding my luggage. It's like 2-3 kilos. My shoulder hurts. Hey. This is Crystal Cove. Look how nice this is. It's beautiful. The weather's nice, not too hot. The only thing is, you know, when you walk on the beach, man, you gotta step on these little stones, these little rocks. Really annoying. You can cut your feet, but you just gotta be careful. Alright guys, Look at this, check this out, man. Well, this is mad. They've got swings here at Cove, Crystal Cove. Okay. I've got a lot of sitting areas that come out here. So we're here for about 40 minutes. 45 minutes. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. This is nice. Look how nice this is. Here we are at the ATV. Hello, good morning. So I've booked the ATV. It's about an hour and a half ride. It cost me 1,500 pesos. So if you guys are ever in Boracay, you come here, see these beautiful ladies. All right, let's do this. Thank you, salamat. All right, guys, we're gonna go on, it's an hour. How long is the ride, my friend? About an hour and 20 minutes. These are electric quad bikes. They're not gas, electric. Look at the view, man. I paid, how much did I pay for this? 1,500 pesos. It's very hard holding the camera and trying to record and steer the quad bike. Here's my tour guide. Hello! Very nice guy. But I'm doing all right, look, multitasking. Woo! Boracay, baby! This is actually so much fun. If you're ever in Boracay, highly recommended. Come to New Coast. That's the company that I booked with. It's called New Coast. You get about 60 minutes of ATV or quad bike time. And they give you about half an hour, 20 minutes, take videos, take photos. It's actually pretty good. And they give you a ride back to your hotel, which is not bad. Fuck, this is mad. These are electric scooters. I can't believe it. Actually electric. There's the guy taking videos of me. Here he is. Pose for the camera. Salamat, bro. Thank you. So the tour guide, he told me we're gonna stop for 5 minutes. We gotta walk down. We gotta go to the beach. Apparently it's a nice view here. All right, so let's go down now, guys, and check out this view. I'll share it with you. You can see Boracay. Wow, it's so beautiful here. It's nice and peaceful. This place is actually very nice too. New Coast. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Like, it's so romantic here. This is good for couples. All right. Wow, look at that. Look at these guys. Look at the view. Look at the view. And lucky today wasn't raining too. Because it usually rains in the morning, but I'm actually very lucky. It's not raining. All right, let's go down and have a look at this beach. Wow, look at that. Okay, Boracay Beach. Lucky it's not raining today. Just going for a walk, as you guys can see. These are all the sailing boats here. I've been asking nearly everyone how much is the per person to go on a sailing boat. Everyone's like telling me 800. I'm trying to bargain the price. So, this is Boracay Beach. I want to try to go on the sailing boat. I want to try to go on the sailing boat, but I'm asking everyone how much the price. Some people tell me 900 pesos, some people tell me 800 pesos. I want to see if I can negotiate. I want to try to get it for 700 or 600. I don't know, but I think the price is basically fixed. But some people, they try to put the price up. I think they just want to make a hefty commission for themselves. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Amit, what's your name?
June.
June. June's a nice guy. And I told him, listen, I want to go on a sailing boat. How much you got to charge me? He gave me a good price. So if you guys are ever in Boracay, this is his face. Look at beautiful Filipino man. Come down here. His lovely assistant. What's your name? Arwin. So if you guys are ever in Boracay, on Boracay Beach, honestly, remember June and Arwin. And tell them you want to go on a sailing boat. So the sailing boat is about half an hour.
Yes.
And I told them, make sure you give me a life jacket, huh? Because I'm not a good swimmer. He goes, of course, safety first. And that's what I like to see. Very professional. So thank you very much. Salamat.
Salamat.
Wow, look how nice this is. So everyone now is setting sail. We're going out now. It's a hard job actually. Look at these guys, man. It's a tough job because they're pushing against the waves. Look at that. What a tough guy. They're gonna push us out against the current. See? See? You want me to help you? I help you? No? You okay? Tough blokes, man. Look at that. The tough guys. Wow. Look at these guys. We're all settling out. All together. Look, all the boats there, all just coming out. What a view. Look how nice this is. Honestly, wow. Boracay, you're so beautiful. Look at that. Aha, we made it. Here we are. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Look how nice this is. Wow. Look at this. This is, wow, this is living. Look. I just need like a shisha here. I put my shisha here and puff. I got the water. I've got the sunset. Wow, life is good. Look at that. Look how mad this is. I love it. I'm just laying down on the boat. Look at that. Look how nice this is. And I got the water underneath me. Look how nice this is. What a view, guys. Look at that. Can't get any better. Highly recommend it if you ever come to Boracay. Look how nice this is. Look at that. Bye bye, Boracay.